everyone, myself Srivali, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Cybersecurity and Data Science in MLR Institute of Technology. Today, the overview of presentation includes solving first order linear homogeneous recurrence relation, problems on first order homogeneous recurrence relation. So first let us understand what is meant by this first order linear homogeneous recurrence relation. So here, the linear recurrence relation of the first order with constant coefficient here is an is equal to here an is equal to c into an minus 1 plus f of n. So let us suppose here I am considering this one as equation 1. Now this c is nothing but what? Coefficient. And here f of n is nothing but it is a known function. Now this relation we can say that here it is a linear recurrence relation of first order with constant coefficient. So this is just like a formula here we can say. And now in this equation, let us suppose this f of n is 0. And then that equation we can call it as non-homogeneous recurrence relation. So here we are considering one equation here n equal to c into n minus 1 plus f of n. If at all if f of n is 0, then we can say that it is called non-homogeneous recurrence relation. Otherwise it is called here this is homogeneous recurrence relation. So the general solution for this first order homogeneous recurrence relation is here. So an is equal to c power n into a naught. This is a general solution we can say for the first order homogeneous recurrence relation. So now let us solve some problems based on this first order homogeneous recurrence relation here. So first one, here the question is solve the recurrence relation an plus 1 is equal to 4 into an for n is greater than 0 given that a naught equal to 3. So let us suppose first you have to write down given recurrence relation. So here given recurrence relation is an plus 1 is equal to 4 into an. And given a naught is equal to here, given a naught equal to 3. Now, as we know that given recurrence relation, so here as we know that here given recurrence relation, so given recurrence relation is in first order, given recurrence relation is in first order homogeneous recurrence relation. So as we have here n plus 1, we can say that given recurrence relation is in first order homogeneous recurrence relation. So the general solution for this first order homogeneous recurrence relation is an is equal to c power n into a naught. So let us suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now here if an is equal to c power n, then we can say that an plus 1 is equal to c power n plus 1. So this an plus 1 is nothing but here as we already know from the equation 1, you can write it as 4an is equal to c power n into c power I can write. C power n into c I can write. So as we know that n equal to c power n, I can write here c power n is equal to c power n into c. C power n will get cancelled. Then you will get the constant value as here 4. And this 4 you have to substitute here in equation 2. If you substitute this, then you will get an is equal to c power n, which is nothing but c value is 4 power n into what is a naught here, given value is 3. So this is the first order homogeneous general solution. So the general solution of this given recurrence relation is here an is equal to 4 power n into 3. So in the same way we have another problem here. Solve the recurrence relation an is equal to 7 into an minus 1 for n is greater than 1 given that here a2 is equal to 98. So now as usual here just solve given recurrence relation. So here given recurrence relation is an is equal to 7 into an minus 1. So this is equation 1 and as if you observe here, it is not in a first order linear recurrence relation. So then you just apply n plus 1 on both sides. So just substitute n is equal to n plus 1 on both sides. So then you will get here an plus 1 is equal to 7 into n plus 1 minus 1, which is nothing but n you will get. This is equation 2. Now, so here the general solution we know that here is an is equal to c power n into a naught, which is equation 3. So we know that here if an is equal to c power n, then an plus 1 is equal to c power n into, so here we can say that an plus 1 is equal to c power n plus 1. So what is an plus 1 here from the given equation 2? 7 into an, so c power n into c. So 7 into, so here we know that an equal to cn, so just write down an is equal to c power n into c. So c power n will get cancelled, c is equal to here 7. So substitute this 7 in equation 3. So then you will get here an is equal to 7 power n into a naught. But here if you observe, we don't have a naught value, the given value is a2. Then what you have to find out here is substitute n is equal to 2 here. Then you will get a2 is equal to 7 power 2 into a naught. So what is a2 here? 98. So is equal to 49 into a naught, which is nothing but a naught is equal to 98 by 49. So which is nothing but here you will get a naught value as 2. And substitute this a naught value in this equation here. Let us suppose consider this equation as 4. Then you will get an is equal to, so here 7 power n into 2. So this is the general solution for the given recurrence relation here. So in the same way, go for the next problem here. So given recurrence relation is, so given recurrence relation is 4 into an minus 5, an is equal to 1. This is a given recurrence relation. Now, as usual here, so first you have to get here n is equal to n plus 1. Substitute n is equal to n plus 1 in equation 1. Then you will get 4 into an plus 1 minus 5 into an minus 1. So here this is 5an minus 1. Okay, is equal to 0. So here 5an minus 1, which is nothing but you will get 5an only, equal to 0. So now you will write 4an plus 1 is equal to 5an, and an plus 1 is equal to 5 by 4 into an. This is equation 2. Let us consider this is as equation 2 here. So now we know that the general solution for the first order homogeneous recurrence relation is an is equal to c power n into a naught. This is equation 3. Now, if an is equal to c power n, then an plus 1 is equal to c power n plus 1. So now here what we have to do is just an plus 1 is nothing but what here? Substitute this 5 by 4 into an and c power n into c. So c here is c power n, which is nothing but here what we can do is, so an which is nothing but you have to substitute in place of an c power n into c. C power n will get cancelled. C is equal to 5 by 4. So now substitute this 5 by 4 in equation 2. So if you substitute this equation, c value in equation 2, then what you will get here is, so an plus 1, so here an is equal to 5 by 4 whole power n into a naught. So then an is equal to 5 by 4 whole power n into 1. So which is nothing but you will get an is equal to 5 by 4 whole power n. This is the given a general solution for the given recurrence relation. So next we also have another problem. This is the last problem in this first order homogeneous recurrence relation. So let us solve this one here. So here given recurrence relation here is given recurrence relation is 3 into an plus 1 minus 4 into an equal to 0. So we know that, so here again you have to take, so 3 into an plus 1 is equal to 4 an, and an plus 1 is equal to 4 by 3 into an. So which is considered as, this is as equation 1 and this is equation 2, and the general solution here is, so the general solution is an is equal to c power n into a naught, which is considered as equation 3. So here, so now we know that if an equal to c power n, then an plus 1 is equal to c power n plus 1. So what is an plus 1 here is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 into an, so c power n into c. So here 4 by 3 into, what is an here? If an equal to cn, then you can write here cn is equal to c power n into c, which is nothing but c is equal to 4 by 3. Now here substitute this 4 by 3 in equation 3. So then you will get here an is equal to, so 4 by 3 whole power n into a naught. So let us consider this as equation 4. So what is a naught here? But we don't have a naught value. So they have given only a1 value. By using this a1 value, you need to find out a naught value. So substitute n is equal to 1 in equation 4. Then you will get a1 is equal to 4 by 3 whole power 1 into a naught. So what is a1 here? 5. So 5 is equal to 4 by 3 into a naught. So which is nothing but here. So what you will get here is, so 5 3s are 15. So here you will get a naught is equal to 15 by 4. So this is a naught value. Substitute this a naught value in equation 4. In this equation 4. So then you will get an is equal to 4 by 3 whole power n into a naught is 15 by 4. So this is the general solution for the given first order homogeneous recurrence relation, that is 3 into an plus 1 minus 4 into an equal to 0. So this is general solution. So here like this we need to solve the problems. So what we have discussed today in this session is, what is first order linear homogeneous recurrence relation, the general solution of the first order linear homogeneous recurrence relation, and also we have seen few problems how to solve this first order linear or homogeneous recurrence relation and how to find out the solution for that first order. So by this today we'll end the session. Thank you.